Show the belly. You do it. You do it. Show the belly.
No, he was yelling at me while he was talking to me, telling me how hot it was. He needed to use like his leg to open the sliding door, and yeah.
Yeah, I was yelling because it was just so loud.
Show the belly.
So loud.
You do it. You do it, booger.
How far away is
Show the belly.
gas line that broke from your house? You have an idea?
You want this? Show the belly.
Yards away.
Wow. So
Show the belly.
houses away.
Good sit, bear. Oh, good down, bear.
4 homes down. Well,
Whisper, show the belly.
What did you guys find there? What does the place look like now? Your house?
Well, the door.
Good down.
You know,
Show the belly.
inspectors or maybe the firemen knock the door down to get in and check the house and you know do all the
You want this?
aftermath.
Show the belly.
Inspections. So there were.
Whisper.
The door was
Show the belly.
basically nailed in.
Shut,
Yeah,
yeah.
nailed
I
shut.
don't even know why, because I remember leaving the door wide open.
Oh, she's
But,
stubborn.
Windows cracked.
yeah, there's a lot of windows
Down
cracked on
there.
that side,
Good.
and a lot of the paint bubbled up from the heat.
Show the belly.
Walter,
The
You want
hardwood
this?
floor kind of.
Show the belly.
what did you think when it had just happened? Did you have an idea, or did you not process it like that?
She's so
And my
stubborn.
initial thought was a
Whisper.
crash.
Show the belly.
Wispy, show the belly. Come on,
Do
bug.
it, booger.
Yeah.
Do it.
Because initially I kept
Show the
hearing it
belly.
like a plane takes
Show the
off,
belly.
and
Emma would have shown the belly 50 times
then
already.
the blast hit. No, and I was
Oh,
like,
she's
getting ready.
stubborn.